I now invite Albert Moylan to the lectern for the second presentation of award holders from the School of Nursing, Midwifery and Social Work profession.
Bachelor of Science with Honours in Social Work, Deborah Agbozo. Afsana Akhtar. Saima Akhtar. Salma Begum. Lakbir Vato. Leonie Natasha Brown. Emma Canny. Elizabeth Anna Christopher. Shireen Cunningham. Ian Saul Darka. Sheena K. Douglas. Kimberly Emma East. Rebecca Eastwell. Kirsty Louise Edwards. Laura Evans. Jade Louise Foxhall. Gemma Gale. Molly Hassel. Naznit Hussain. Estella Jones. Alexandra Johnson. Kirandeep Kaur. Charlotte Helen Lee. With first class honours, Gabriel Matsima. Louis Manhambra. With first class honours, Richard Gerald Martin. Lloyd Mazvin Hanga. Claire Frances McGrean. Chloe Ann McLean. Cherie McMahon. Paul Mullins. With first class honours, Kulikele Nkube. Catherine Angela Owen.